First, I go to Guarda wallet website. They support a lot of platforms for installing their wallet. I choose Windows. After downloading, I have installed the Guarda wallet on my computer. I have opened it, waiting for it to be loaded. If you had a Guarda wallet from past and you have some balances in the wallet, you can restore or recover or import those wallets to this wallet. For restoring a wallet, you need two things. First one is a backup file. Second one is a password. But if it's the first time you are creating a wallet, just click on create a wallet. I click on create a wallet. I enter a password for my wallet. If you lose your password, you will lose your money, remember. The wallet is generating all the coins and tokens wallets for me. Guarda wallet makes it easy. They have combined some wallets together and turned them into one wallet, instead of having one wallet for each coins or tokens. This is the backup wallet. You should download it, make some copies of it, and store it in different places. Save my backup file. I put the name Guarda backup. Click on save. Now I have a backup file of this wallet. These are the coins that Guarda wallet supports. You can add new wallets. There are some wallets that are not listed. Just choose a wallet, click on, and it will be added to your wallet lists. If you had a wallet before, you can import it to this wallet. You need a private key of that wallet. If you have a Ledger hardware wallet, you can import Ledger wallet here. And if you just want to watch coins, you can have a watch list by adding coins to watch only. If you click on a coin, in the right side, you can see 4 tabs: history, receive, send, exchange. History is empty because it's a new wallet. In the receive section, there is a QR code. You can scan this code and send coin to this wallet. Also, there is a written address next to QR code. You can copy it and paste it in another wallet and send coin to this wallet. You can hide or unhide the balance of this wallet, change the name of this wallet. For exporting the private key of this wallet, click on show private keys, then you export private key. You can import this private key to another wallet if you want to move your coins from this wallet to another wallet. And if you don't need this wallet anymore, click on delete wallet and Cardano wallet will be deleted, not Guarda wallet. Cardano wallet will be deleted. Exchange button and buy button. Send and request buttons. You can earn interest by storing Cardano and some other coins in Guarda wallet. And this is your transaction history, includes of deposits, withdrawal, stake rewards. By click on the address, it will be copied. For sending a coin, click on the coin you want to send. Enter the destination wallet address. Enter the amount of coin you want to send. Network fee will be applied to the amount and click on next. For exchanging coins and tokens to each other, click a coin or token to be converted or exchanged to another token or coin. In the buy tab, you can buy cryptocurrencies, buy fiat currencies such as US dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and stuffs like that. There are several payment partners. In Borrow tab, you can borrow coins from Guarda wallet. You can get a loan. In Settings tab, you can earn rewards by refer Guarda wallet to your friends. You share your link with your friends create a wallet with your links, then when they send, receive, earn stake rewards, exchange or buy cryptocurrencies, you will earn their transactions. If you want to support me, please create your Guarda wallet with my link. I put the link in the description box. If you have created your wallet and don't know how to download backup, in the Settings tab, click on Download Backup. You can download it as a file or copy the text and paste it in a note and keep that note. For restoring your wallet, click on Restore. You need two things again, passwords and backup file. Click on Browse. I choose the backup file. I enter my password, which I have written down at the first of creating wallet. Click on Restore and all of my wallet will be restored. For changing password, click on Change Password. If you turn this option on, every time you want to send coins, exchange or buy, Guarda wallet will ask you for your password. And this is a session timeout for your wallet. If you keep your wallet open on your device, for example for 15 minutes, and you don't do anything with your Guarda wallet, it will be automatically locked. If you want to use it, you have to enter password again. This is light mode and night mode. If you have done with your wallet, you can click on this lock pad and your Guarda wallet will be locked. For using your Guarda wallet again, you have to enter your password.